Hello, good afternoon, Miss Valoran. My name is Paul Cortes. So a while ago, I was just able to visit the 7-Eleven website, and it's a quite good website and well pleasing in the eyes of the customer. So as you can see in the screen, it is a good website and it has a lot of information to offer. And based on the information you find there, so the question of this assignment, based on the information you find there, would you be interested in becoming a 7-Eleven franchise? So that is the question of this assignment. So my answer of this question, in my own opinion, Miss Valoran, my own opinion, my answer is yes. No, I am interested of becoming a 7-Eleven franchise if I have money. No, so reason why my answer is yes, because number one, 7-Eleven provides a fully stocked and turnkey operation. So as you can see in 7-Eleven store, they provide a lot of fully stocked products. So most of the needs of the customer is found in 7-Eleven. So number two, 7-Eleven obtains and bears the cost of the major store equipment. So if you franchise 7-Eleven, so sila ni bahala sa mga equipment, sa mga example sa ref, sa table, or any equipment sa store. So sila ni mo bahala na. All you need to do is the capital of the franchise. So number three, reason why I want to invest and franchise in 7-Eleven. 7-Eleven and you share in the store's gross profit. So the gross profit of the 7-Eleven magtunga pa mo na sa company sa 7-Eleven, but I don't know what percentage mag-share mo, pero I think dako jud imuha if ikaw ang nag-franchise. So, and lastly, one of the advantage of having a 7-Eleven franchise, 7-Eleven pays for 50% of the electricity, and that is the advantage of having 7-Eleven. If your electricity in 1 month is 100,000, 50,000 ang mabayad sa 7-Eleven electricity, pero ikaw na bahala sa 50,000. So meaning to say, mag-share mo sa electricity. So that is the one of the advantage of having a 7-Eleven. So main reason why my answer is yes, because 7-Eleven is a tested and proven retail franchise. And no doubt, if you invest in 7-Eleven, if you franchise, it will be a lower risk and high return. Because as what I have said, 7-Eleven is a tested and a very known product. And if mo butang kag 7-Eleven sa ka-location, daghan jud kayo mo palit dira, because no na kay na 7-Eleven nga kabaw na mga tao unsay naa sa sud sa 7-Eleven, and ang naka-advantage sa 7-Eleven kay mura siya pangmasa, no? Lower class people or middle class people or even rich people will go to 7-Eleven because everybody has a need. If there is a need, motora sila directly sa 7-Eleven. So that is the advantage of having a 7-Eleven franchise, and my answer is yes. Thank you and goodbye.